You guys want to see how it runs, or you want to write the code now? What do you guys want to do? Want to write a code? You guys have the energy to write code today? Tomorrow. If you can do that, it's great, man. Really great. What? See, that is very specific. So let's talk. Definitely, let's talk.
So this was make some dummy, goes on the API, and make some dummy plugin, just to simulate.
Yeah. So shall I do that? Shall we write a dummy plugin to Hello World plugin? Shall I do that? I'm not going to do. You want to do it? Come on. What's the point? I don't want to write Hello World plugin. What's the point? Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. If you guys want any help, right? It's on OpenDaylight.org. There. No. There is one VM. I'm looking for a VM. You see it? Thank you, guys. I'll see it here. Maybe it's here. That's fine. It's here. The VM is here. Yeah. Okay. This is one, right? This is the one. Yeah. Perfect. So this is the VM where Brent added all the stuff that you need to develop an OpenDaylight. So if you have issues in your environment, right, mostly the Maven issues and the Java Eclipse issues and whatnot, instead of spending time on that at this point, you can spend time on downloading this and start playing with this one. And as and when you get confident with working with OpenDaylight, then you can come back and fix your issues on the local laptop. Right? Let's not waste time in fixing the issues here. Yes, it has everything, Mininet and everything installed. This VM is thanks to Brent. Brent is the one who did all this. I think so. I didn't even try this one. No, okay. I think so, guys. I didn't try this yet. Take a look at this. This is what people use today, so you should try this one out. So you guys got the location so that we can move on? Yeah. All right. So you want to write the code now? You guys want to see how to write the code, or what do you want to do? Yeah? Okay. Okay, so I typically just take existing module, right, and then use it for my purpose, right? Let's go. I typically don't copy the projects from Eclipse. I use command line for all this basic stuff, and then I'll go to Eclipse only to write some code, hard code stuff. Let's take some code from here for base one. Okay? Overflow again? That's going to take some time. So I want to make it a simple work now to show how to write a simple OSDA plugin, not an Southbound plugin. Okay? So it's all the same, right? Southbound plugin is going to take some time for you. Let's take. What is it? Sorry? Can you repeat?
It's not matching.
Oh. What is not matching, guys? I'm sorry. What is not matching? I'm sorry. I didn't quite get you. Yeah, it's been recording from the morning. Yeah. Okay. A lot of white noise. Okay, let's just copy our panel. Let's call it something else. Hello world. All right. So now I copy the hello world project. First thing I typically do is I go to Power XML and change the bundle name. There you go. Artifact. Right. The moment you do this, you already have a plugin now. It names hello world. It's going to work exactly like OpenDaylight. Because that's what we're going to see here, right? But that's not what you want, isn't it? You want it as a simpler one. Let's say all the dependencies is fine. Yeah, dependencies is fine. Sorry? Yeah, I just copied our parameter and renamed this hello world now. Okay. I just saved it now. Let's go and import it now. So once you create a project like that, you can import it from files. I'm an Eclipse person. If you're not Eclipse person, then you don't do any of this. You can just start writing the code in whichever you have. Most of us are Eclipse, so I want to do is here. File import, Maven existing Maven projects. And this time just select the project which you are interested in. Which is hello world. Right? So once you install it, you'll get it here, right? Hello world is imported here. So you can just go and rename the package names if you don't like the package name, of course not. So I'll rename it as. Okay. All right, so I have my own package. Once you do that, so as I explained before, the activator is right inside. The pom.xml will have the reference to the activator. This is part of the old package, right? So let's go and change the package name. There you go. I'm going to just change post tracker hello world. That's it. So once you run this code now, then this activator will be called just like our handler would have been called. So here, if you have dependencies, so here our handler you may want to change it to hello world. And so change it automatically. That's nice. Okay. So if you look at this hello world, I don't really care about dependencies right here. I don't really want to expose any services. I don't want to depend on any of them. So we can simply not do any of this. Right? We decide not to do any of this. It's fine. Just hey, I'm not dependent on any of this. I just want to set the plugin up and write code inside my hello world.java. Just I can delete everything, but it's okay. It's okay. It's there. It's fine. None of this is going to get exercised anyway. So it is right here. So I just want to show that init and start are two different. Okay. So all you're going to do is they're just printing two statements here. Let's do one more thing. Let's see. Logger has changed or not. Okay, logger also changed. That's it. So now we have created a simple plugin, right? Which we didn't create. Actually, we copied from somewhere else and we're modifying it now. So all you have to do is once you write your own business logic, you exactly know what to depend on. For example, our panel is not dependent on statistics, right? So if you want to write a code which you want to pull statistics and upload somewhere else, then of course you have to go and change the dependencies. Say, hey, I'm dependent on statistics manager. Exactly the same way our was doing, as simple like that. So now I want to show something cool about OSGI here. Let's first run the controller. I'm not building it. I'm not building the hello world here. I'm just running the controller. So yeah, I can run the controller two ways. One is inside Eclipse using the launcher files. These are all launcher files. OpenDaylight, all the launcher files. The launcher files are all defined inside the distribution OpenDaylight. It's all defined here. So if you want to add new, you can add new, modify it. It's fine. Okay. So let's go here. This is interesting. So we have various needs or purposes. OpenDaylight assembles everything and deletes the saved conflicts and everything. Assembles it's just a clean, even clean, and installs. Assembly is fast. Assembles just one project. See, you don't have time to build everything, right? So in this case, I want to click on Hello World. Assemble fast. It will build runtime plugin to the controller and make it work at runtime. That's the assembly fast. Okay, and we have Sonar. Sonar is the target for not test. Sonar is for the static analysis. Static analysis code coverage tool. Okay. What's the launcher for that? Assembly Sonar, skip UT, no clean, so all various options for this one. So if you open this, if you want to open this in configurations, it's all straightforward, right? If you open this Maven build, it's all Maven launcher. You can see the difference here. Clean install, see it goes here. Assembly fast is to assemble it for a fast assembly only on the selected resource location. Right? So it's pretty straightforward. So in this case, Sonar is saying clean install Sonar. So Maven is a very, very interesting tool where with simple commands you can do a lot of good things. So now I ran the controller. When you run a controller, whether using the console or the Eclipse, you're going to get the same OSJ command here. Console. So here there are a few interesting tools. If you do a help, it's going to print all the simple command that you can write here and then make it executable. Okay. For example, we wrote something called PNCS. PNS. Yeah. PNS is some print node, some stuff. Okay. So here is printing all the nodes available, OpenFlow, whatever. Printing all the data. Just a simple command you can write. One way to tool is do SS. SS is going to display all the current bundles active and everything. Right? So here I can do SS grep. Hello. So nothing. Hello world is not there. Okay, that's fine. I can do SS grep host track. Host. Yeah, we can have host tracker implementation, not one and host tracker. There are three bundles here. Okay, so you can individually restart any bundle you want to based on the dependencies. All bundles. SS will give you all the bundles active. Right? So now, in order to show the UI, let's go to the UI. So now I want to do localhost 8080. Yeah, I want to talk about it. So by default, you can log in as admin. On the UI, I'm sure you guys have seen the UI, right? It has devices tab, flows tab, troubleshooting tab, and whatnot. So now, say as an example, right? I want to just do here SS troubleshoot. Yep, sorry. I need to do it. All right. So I'm going to do a stop 66. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about. On the website, right? It's very difficult to actually do a restarting a bundle. Right? We went through a lot of difficulty. Just want to showcase that in OSGI you can individually restart bundles and everything at runtime. So I stop the bundle, and if you restart, the troubleshoot here will vanish because it's not there anymore, right? Because it's restarted at runtime. And what you can do is you can write code, fix a bug, right? And you can do install it, assemble it fast. You come here and then just do a start 66. Okay, now it installs it. At runtime, you can see the UI coming out. UI is just a cool way to show, hey, OSJ is modular, but real benefit is actually on the backend modules, right? You can plug and play OSJ bundles and OpenFlow plugin and whatnot. The OSJ provides cool way to do all the restarts on the backend bundles, but UI bundles are very complicated, that I can say, and we managed to fix that somehow. No performance it. It's exactly same as Java. Yes. No. So OSGI itself, right? All the modularity aspects of OSGI is at compiler. It takes care of it. At runtime, any function call between two bundles is like function call away. Yes. But if you use Spring, like morning I was talking about this. One is web UI. One is web UI. Look at web UI. If you remove all web UI, Spring is out. We use Spring MVC as an infrastructure today for building the web UI on the backend, but we want to remove that as well.
Yeah, because web UI, I think a lot of Spring. That's it.
Only for web. Spring MVC, yeah. It's a cool, useful tool to use, but we are going to remove that. We are going to move towards we meaning as a community. There's a proposal to remove the web view Spring MVC and make the UI as a client-side MVC. JavaScript. That's a proposal we have. That's good for all of us because Spring. I mean, even though most we don't like Spring.
Yeah, Spring has been.
Sorry.
Just have been too much.
Spring is good. I mean, Spring used to be really, really powerful before, but with OSGI, it's so. Okay. So we saw the restartability and everything on the UI, and UI you can do a lot of configuration right here. Okay. So in order to answer your question, right? You want to know the flow, how the flow happens. This is JavaScript. From JavaScript, we use the outbound APIs, REST APIs to go through the backend using the web APIs, and that's where the magic of the session is handled at the Apache bar level. That's where the if you're interested in web UI, we can have a separate session because it's very complicated. But web, we can leave it aside. This is like an application part. Okay. So there are a lot of configurations that you can do here, flows and troubleshooting. Let's skip all those. Now let's go to the Hello World application. Hopefully it compares. I didn't even try. Let's see. All you can do is at runtime you can just say assemble it fast. We're going to click on the project. Now it's going to build the project. Let's see if everything goes smooth or not. It'll deploy. Yeah, so it builds right now. After building, what it's going to take the Hello World jar file and it's going to deploy it on the runtime system. It has to. Now let's see SS. Oh, it's not. It's there. Okay, it is deployed already. The reason we didn't see any printout because the debug level is like it's not. If you look at the debug levels, to see that, do I get log level? Grep hello. Okay. Look at here. Hello world is unknown level, meaning you won't print anything. That's the idea. Okay. So in order to set it, do a set log level. Debug. Right? Now let's do a stop 120. Let's see if it works. Start 120. There you go. Right? So at runtime you can have a bundle coming up, going down, right? And you can enable logs. Okay. If you look at log level, we have info, debug, trace, error, want. We all know about those log levels, right? So available on the back end. As you restart the controller, restart the given bundle, the dependencies are resolved, and then you go and do the init and start. Right? If you want to look at the dependencies, right? At runtime, it's very useful. What you can do is we can do a DM 120. They won't do anything because we didn't say any dependencies in this case, right? Let's do SS grep. Let's go to the R handler, okay? Because we saw some dependencies there. Right? Now I'm going to do a DM. DM is dependency manager 105. Here you can see that this module is dependent on switch manager, topology manager, SAR, post tracker, and as you can see, certificates are all available here. It'll say it's available or not. Okay. Now let's look at it here. Register. Okay. Now if you say let's restart switch manager, I'm destroying everything now, but let's see how. SS grep switch manager. Right. I'm going to say stop 1 is 6. Stop 83. Now let's go and see DM105. Let's see what happens. See, unavailable. Where it's gone, and you should go to unregistered because this is fully fused. For fully fused applications, right? When a dependent bundle goes away, the one dependent on will be we put in frozen state now. So if you go to the SS grep op handler, it's being dissolved. Oh, it's okay. See, ideally in a system, right, you go to dissolved state typically if it doesn't come up. But in this case, it'll go to unregistered state here. Okay? So listen for that. We'll deal with it later. Now, SS again. I want to show you the fragments also here. Okay, as you can see here, the fragments here. So the fragment is, as I was telling in the morning, the fragment is a way to extend any existing functionality without touching the code. As you can see here, the Catalina is a web framework available by Apache. Right? We have used Apache Valve as a mechanism to extend the Catalina's functionality. Right? So Catalina provides services which we can extend. If you look at the code, you see that the Apache Valve bundle, security bundle, is a fragment of Catalina. And you can see other things also, right? Catalina actually is dependent on master 111, so right here. Let's see, 15, 33, 70, let's see something precise. Will be in frozen state. Yeah. So even though the wholesale provides functionality, right? If you touch the core of the modules, if you want to restart it, it's going to affect everything is different. It's natural, right? But if you write the code appropriately with proper state recovery and everything, you should not worry about it. So we took care of it properly. If you look at the controller today, if we take care of it properly, right? By now everything is crashed. This time they're gone. You will see a lot of exceptions and everything. We didn't see it because we took some special care. That I have to say. Yeah, because it will give destroy event. Yeah, correct. So now I restarted switch manager, right? Ideally, this should come up. Yes. It is available and it should be registered now. Okay, so it's all automatic. So I found my commitment by showing you the code. So you're gonna write the code now, right? In our plan. Hello world. Maybe tomorrow we'll take a poll to see if everybody can able to write the code starting the controller. No? So that's it. Any questions that you guys have? It's 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna stop now. It's a full day marathon. Any questions, guys? No? All right, thanks. Sure. And everything installed.
Oh,
This DM is thanks to Brent. Brent is the one who did all this. I think so. I didn't even try this one. No, okay. I think so, guys. I didn't try this yet. Take a look at this. This is what people use today, so you should try this one out. So you guys got the location so that we can move on? Yeah. All right. Here, no, there is one VM. I'm looking for a VM. You see it? Thank you, guys. I'll see it here. Maybe it's here. That's fine. It's here. The VM is here. Yeah. Okay. This is one, right? This is the one. Yeah. Perfect. So this is the VM where Brent added all the stuff that you need to develop an OpenDaylight. So if you have issues in your environment, right, mostly the Maven issues and the Java Eclipse issues and whatnot, instead of spending time on that at this point, you can spend time on downloading this and start playing with this one. And as and when you get confident with working with OpenDaylight, then you can come back and fix your issues on the local laptop. And let's not waste time in fixing the issues here.
Does this also have a reason, like, for example, open device,
Yes, it has everything. Mini. You guys want to see how it runs, or you want to write the code now? What do you guys want to do? Want to write a code? You guys have the energy to write code today?
OSDB plugin.
Tomorrow. If you can do that, it's great, man. Really great. What? See, that is very specific. So let's talk. Definitely, let's talk.
So this was make some dummy, on the API, and make some dummy plugin, just to simulate.
So shall I do that? Shall we write a dummy plugin to Hello World plugin? Shall I do that? I'm not going to do. You want to do it? Come on. What's the point? I don't want to write Hello World plugin. What's the point? Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. If you guys want any help, right, it's on OpenDaylight.org.